so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever played on a playground outside at the park? Wow, isn't it so much fun? I love swinging on the swings. Hey, why don't you and we draw a swing together? All right, I'm gonna start with the color black, and I'm gonna make, it looks like the smile on a smiley face. Whoa, but I'm actually making the seat just like that. And I'm gonna do 2 of them. Whoa, yeah, it also kind of looks like a banana, huh? All right, then let's do 4 vertical lines just like that. All right, now let's draw the start of a square. Don't connect the bottom. And then let's draw 2 diagonal lines, and there it is. There's a swing. But hey, what's at a park most of the time? Yeah, a lot of grass. Whoa, what a beautiful swing set. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa! And today, we're here at Uptown Jungle Fun Park in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am so excited to have lots of fun and exercise together. And what better way to exercise than play? Come on! Whoa, look at this place. It's so fun. I can't wait to start playing. But first, you need to make sure you put on your grip socks. Yeah, Woo, they're so sticky. Woo. Good thing I already have mine on. Woo! And now we can play. Look at these ropes. Woo! Woo! Hey, swinging on a rope like this, it kind of feels like I'm a monkey. Will you act like a monkey with me? That was so silly. Whoa, and check it out. It's an entire wall filled with colorful bricks. Whoa. Some are the color green, the color blue, the color red, whoa, and the color yellow. Whoa, maybe we can build something awesome. Woo. First, we need to get them off the wall before we can start building. Woo! What should we build with the bricks? Maybe we can start with the house. Okay, 1 brick, 2 bricks, 3 bricks. Whoa! I bet we can make it even taller. Whoa! Look at it! We built the tower so tall! Woo! Uh-oh! Hey, check it out! Looks like there are some paper cards. I wonder what they say. Ooh, it looks like a game. And the first card says, find something that looks like a circle. I bet we can find a circle. That'll be easy. Let's go look. Whoa, there are circles all over the place. Whoa, and look at this circle. It looks like a delicious donut. It's a circle, but a donut has a donut hole. Really tiny circle. And it's polka dotted, covered in little circles. A circle in a circle, covered in circles. We did it. Found what the first card says. But I wonder what the second card says. The second card says, find something that you can climb on. Okay, let's go explore. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, we found some things to climb. There are so many cool rock walls. Yeah, I love rock climbing. Which wall should we climb first? Whoa! This one is made out of ropes. That one looks really colorful. Whoa, look at this one. Wow, it's so colorful. It's green and yellow and red and black. I think I'm gonna climb this one. But first, safety first. We need to get a harness. Yeah. First, when you rock climb, you wanna put on a harness. Yeah. Now that I'm harnessed in, the only other thing you need to do is hook into the rope. Yeah, the rope is very important. It's called an auto belay. Whoa, that's a big word. But auto belays are really important because if you slip or you need to fall off because your arms are really tired, you can. And the auto belay will float you gently to the ground. Okay, I am so excited to climb this wall. Let's hook in. We're all ready to climb. Woo! We made it to the top! Woohoo! And now it's time to come down, so I'll use the auto belay. Here we go! Whee! Whoa! That was some awesome rock climbing. Okay, now we should unhook and see what the next card says. Okay, it says, find something that you can jump on. I think I know something we can jump on. Come on! Whoa! The next thing we need to find is something to jump on. And I know the perfect thing, trampolines! Whoa! Trampolines are so much fun! Woo! Woo! Whoa! You can make small jumps, like a little rabbit, or really big jumps, like a kangaroo! Woo! Woo! Hey, I have an idea. How about let's count how many jumps we do? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Whoa! Whoa! That was a lot of jumping. 10 jumps! Whoa! Whew. Well, I think we should find the next thing on the card. Okay, let's see what it says. Find something to slide down. Let's go see if we can find something to slide down. Come on! Whoa! We found it! Something to slide down. Whew. And this yellow slide looks really steep, but really fun. Let's slide down it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Whoa! That was awesome! Now, let's see what the next card says. Find something red? Found some really cool things, but something red. We'll really have to look for that one. Come on! Whoa! Look, it's monkey bars and a tire. Whoa! We're still looking for the color red. Well, this is green, and the tire and road is black and yellow, but nothing's red. Keep your eyes open. Whoa! Nothing here. Do you see anything that is the color red? Whoa, yeah, good job. It's a red tunnel, and it looks like it's woven with red ropes. I'll see you on the other side. See you soon. Whoa! It's so bumpy. Whoa! 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 That was so much fun climbing through the red tunnel. But we still have one card left. Let's see what it says. Find somewhere you can dance. But you can dance everywhere. Hey, let's dance together.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. You can sing, dance, down to the floor and up to the ceiling. I just can't stop this feeling. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Get ready. Wiggle, 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 1, 2, 3. You can sing, dance, twist, and shout. Do whatever you want to get the wiggles out. Shake it up, shake it down. Shake those wiggles out of town. Wiggle, 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 yeah. 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 Come on and sing it loud. We're gonna dance and twist and shout it out. Running around, we waggle and giggle. I just want to get these wiggles. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Get ready. Wiggle, wiggle, 1, 2, 3. You can sing, dance, twist, and shout. Do whatever you want to get the wiggles out. Shake it up, shake it down. Shake those wiggles out of town. You can sing, dance, twist, and shout. Do whatever you want to get the wiggles out. Shake it up, shake it down. Shake those wiggles out of town. You can sing, dance, twist, and shout. Do whatever you want to get the wiggles out. Shake it up, shake it down. Shake those wiggles out of town. You can sing, dance, twist, and shout. Do whatever you want to get the wiggles out. Shake it up, shake it down. Shake those wiggles out of town. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Shake those wiggles out of town. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Shake those wiggles out of town. Bye-bye, wiggles. They all went out of town.
Whoa! I had so much fun with you today here at Uptown Jungle Fun Park in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, will you spell my name with me? Okay. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.